sharing passwords over email is a very tempting thing to do, especially when it comes to like work emails and such. Sometimes when it's our personal stuff, we're a little more hesitant to share that information. But like with work stuff and work emails, it's like, whatever, it's not really my company, it's not really my business, whatever. And it's tempting to just put your account login information in an email, shoot it over really quickly to a colleague. Well, you don't want to do this for a couple reasons. So emails are often sent in what's called a clear or plain text mode. If your email is being sent in most of the common email software or something like Gmail or something like that, it's unencrypted. And when it's unencrypted, what that means is it can be picked up very easily. It doesn't take a whole lot for a hacker to be able to just scrape that data because it's not protected in any way. Another reason is that here you have this data that's unencrypted, but also your email travels through several different servers. It travels through several different locations on its way from one inbox to the other. So it might go from like your inbox and then it goes up through the server, eventually landing in your recipient's inbox and their server. So any point along that journey, your email can be scraped and the data can be picked up, and that leaves you vulnerable if you've put account information and passwords in your emails. So the point really is just to not share your passwords over email. What are the best ways to do that? Well, there's a couple strategies. Something as simple as including your login username and then texting a password. It's a little better than nothing. Or using something like an app, like WhatsApp or something like that, to send a password where you send the username with email and you send the password on another platform. That's one alternative, quick and easy. Kind of the best way to do this though is to use an app, like a free app, like a password manager. There's many different password managers out there. We commonly use LogMeOnce, and LogMeOnce is a password manager you can download for free for your personal use or for your business. And if you have LogMeOnce, you can guide the recipient to just install LogMeOnce as well. And when you both have a free LogMeOnce account, you can simply just click and share your account information that's then encrypted and very secure with the person that needs to have that access. And the neat thing is you can actually adjust the controls so that that person might have access for 24 hours or for a week or for a month or for a lifetime. So you can adjust, like if you're sharing some information, it can be encrypted, they can click and log into the account without even seeing the username and password. They can just click the file to let them into an account if it's a LogMeOnce share, and they can have access to that account for as long as you set. So it's a really neat feature, and it's a very easy kind of like one-click option for sharing super private information with someone that you want to be able to give easy access to log into account, but you don't want to compromise your entire system. So thanks for watching this video. There's lots of really easy ways you can optimize the security of the information you're sharing at work, as well as for personal use. And one of the biggest ways to just get started doing that is like a free password manager. You can check out LogMeOnce at LogMeOnce.com and download that one as a great starting point, just to kind of see how it works and how easy it is to adapt and be used across all your devices. Thanks for watching our video.